Hi there, this is Michael Jensen from the Birthday Card Cash Club. This is one example of an ad that I can make for you or something similar. I made this for Lon Lindsey. Lon Lindsey's ID is 538447. If you want to sign up under Lon Lindsey, he's a great sponsor, a great leader. Many years, like 40 years of direct mail experience. He will help you. He will respond to his email. So contact Lon Lindsey. ID number 538447. I made this ad for him. I do charge $35 for different ads that I custom make branded to you. I can also put your picture on the ad, on the flyer. This is a PDF document that he is promoting. As soon as I made the ad, he started promoting it and advertising it and sending it to people and putting it in direct mail publications. Colorful ads like this get attention, and it looks different than the opportunity flyer. So it doesn't have to be a lot of words. It just has to be eye-catching and get attention. And all glory to God, I think this ad gets attention. It's different than everybody else's ad. And like I said, I can put your photo on the ad if you want me to make a custom ad, or I can make something a little different than this. But it's got people looking at birthday cards, it's got teddy bears, hearts, balloons. The colors are popping. If you want me to make custom ads for you, contact me. My phone number is 352-286-8014. I am the monitor, the creator, the admin of the Birthday Card Cash Club direct mail flyer opportunity, but a lot of people are promoting it using emails. They're sending PDF documents to their email list of their direct mail marketers that are on their list, and they're publishing these ads, these full-page ads in direct mail magazine ads that all the entrepreneurs that are into direct mail, they all read them. So you can reach a lot of people with less money. And you don't even have to mail. You just send a copy to the editor of the magazines and pay them, and they will publish it. And some of them are online, and they're also in the paper magazine that they print every month or every other month. So I'll give you my phone number again. Write it down. My name is Michael Jensen from the Birthday Card Cash Club. $35 an ad. You can look different, get attention. Especially if you're promoting and advertising in the same type of magazines and places that other people are that are in this opportunity. You want something different to get attention. Lon Lindsey's ID number is 538447. My phone number is 352-286-8014. There it is right there. Write it down, please. 352-286-8014. You can call me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If I have my phone on Do Not Disturb, like when I'm making videos like right now, I don't want pop-ups on my screen, so I also could be taking a nap because I work all night long making ads, making content, making videos, working on the website. And the website, if you want to go to the website, you want to take a screenshot of that QR code. Take a screenshot. Go to the website, which is home.birthdaycardcashclub.com, which is right there on the bottom of the flyer. It's not www. It's home.birthdaycardcashclub.com. That's the home page, and then there's other videos and other links on that page. And there's an intro video also. So take care. If you want to sign up under a great leader, 538447, Lon Lindsey. I have some other big top marketers that are very well known in this program, and I'm making ads for them as well. So get with me, 352-286-8014. Get paid every day. There's no monthly fee. It's $150 for everything. If you sign up somebody in the program and they get a referral, you will get $35 because you're their sponsor and you sign them up. So get a hold of Lon Lindsey or me at 352-286-8014. Let Lon Lindsey know you want to sign up under him, and he will get $60. Or if you're in the same month as him, I think he's in November. If your birth month is November, he will get $85 instead of $60 because he'll get the extra birth month $25. Upline sponsor gets $35. So Lon's sponsor will get $35. The admin fee is $30. It's $150 total. No monthly fee. God bless you. Jesus is Lord, and He's coming soon. Thank you. TheBirthdayCardCashClub.com.